I bring some on it, yeah, with the homeboy family, yeah, from Lagos like y'all will come to the while I hear. I am the boss, ain't got no worries, yeah, never knew Monami, yeah, let's go hit the road, let's go kill them all, boy, nigga then jump, I'm a better shaking that, whoa, with my music playing like a whoa, who's boys, then I go on, and pop, and pop. You know we don't carry luck, see we know we carry press. You know how we do, man. Hip hop king come from Cameroon.
The way you enter my brain, you never feel it. This one should be yours. This one should be yours.
I feel like the most high.
You were giving me the fever, and you would bust off your brain like a trigger, and I will always give you every little thing. What up, fam? What up, fam? What's happening? Mama, see, I go see you become a rope. I'm gonna put you like a queen. Never roll me inside. Yeah, can you finish me, fam? You have to go below, believe, fam. Yes, back in the days on Emonia Obodo, you tore down. You have to go on our suja. I want a gunner, you know. I was just coming back from the States right about now. You have to go. And I joined my brother on Nasarawa State, Kino Kumakia. When I was in Kofu, Kita on your tour down, he organized, hello, fam. What's up, fam? Or yeah, Okolubo, now say fam, yeah, hello, fam. It's unfolding right about it. The 18th day of March 2024, and I quit Telotua. Chineke Mayor, the possible knife for a beautiful day like this. We should sing unto the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. All the praise, all glory, all honor, all adoration for making it possible for us to see this beautiful day. And that's why I will say, I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. With my mouth, I will make known your faithfulness to all generations. If I believe in Otutu and everyone at the 103.5 FM, now big this splash as it is unfolding right about it. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Yes, over the weekend, Ndi Jagasi freebies, you have to go freepo. Oh, to start on a very good day. Now, call one a hatch up with that. Now, one your money for no socket, just name me. I say, I'm going to new interest name because now, even these days, they are chop going on there. I say John Jazz always have an egg in me. A bob and me for banana money, very good day. After that, you have to go find out what you will only one be a say before. Only the work that we are so long there be an acatosian over that or belly fair. Or belly fair last. It is unfolding. I could call OT for you. And this is how we ball into this particular edition of Birthday Splash Level at the 103.5 FM. Metal. Yes, we are in the building. Yes, so Lugo Kone, time for us to spot the Mpianyanism before her Iberiberism, but time to celebrate Ndike celebrate it today because right here is your party. You have to go get involved, send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080-9666-1035 with name and number of the person you want to celebrate, and it is celebration galop in here. Coco OT oti kpoju o kai wan na network aga kwa kai we celebrate ndị ike na celebrate n'ụtụtụ afọ yotago because na nwegasị ndị ike na celebrate taa bụ the 18th day of March 2024. All right, fam. The first person I get celebrated go to today were Bolo Ben Ozo, Nigerian American basketball player, born March 18th, 1988 in Houston. So we say happy birthday to him right about now. Happy birthday! It's unfolding. Get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Join us on Facebook as we are live at Airborne 103.5 FM. Drop your comment on the comment section of the live video. You have to go and you become part of the conversation, the celebration as well.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes, today is also the birthday of Obinna Nwaneri. Born today, 18th day of March 2024 in Lagos. All Takone celebrate. I am also because now these days, and I was a player against who I'm about field. And I join my brother. It's no Arona Keduku Sadio a very good day. But we are not saying that that's the case of Obinna Nwaneri. But we want to say happy birthday to him right about now. Happy birthday! It's unfolding right about phone. Good day. Then we can Kataze Mbaji a player, and I just brother is an easy cooking. Now, in the Arona, Mbaji way this Arona. A lot of things to talk about, and you might know from the Mbaji at the short to see a mood on a very good day. Short aga kwa keeper or keeper and then get them Mbaji as referee the good Mbaji Mbaji be good old. Okay, different before on a very good day. A lot of things to talk about. Let's celebrate you. Get involved. Send SMS on 08096661035. Right about Fundua, people of God, network will be a him piano no total. Also, again. My name and I call to Cable, Yatago na the sea. All you no one goes where they asking on the Houthis, and the Houthis send a habit aside. A lot of things I know. When I call to Cable, I'm an audio to a very good day. On now affect the transactions, even in banks, now affect the networks, now affect, even calls. But somehow, in what is what opportunity name I call. You get me be happy about their life, the way it is. And this challenge today, will be surmounted. And I will believe that. And that's the way it works. So yeah, but the one you will cheer well. Yes, I go Kosade on a Messalo de second of with a network in a or Junior, those young music, also okay, I met Messalo Gucci at the views. So just from time to time, I'm gonna have Messalo in a network in a so that the go where those young men get up for arrange go for and let's celebrate and can celebrate right about Ketafu. Today is the birthday of Joshua Bassi, Nigerian politician and businessman, born March 18, 1962 in Lagos. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday! It's unfolding right about Ketafu. We're gonna.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yes, today is also the birthday of Nana Njoko, Nigerian athlete, born March 18, 1955. So we say happy birthday to her right about now. Happy birthday. It's unfolding. Get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Yatago. Yes, based on Otosa, the network on Ototoa. It's time. As we proceed to give you what you need, the satisfaction and guaranteed. My network na fegolisi baka yatago oka guaranteed. Oh sure be kaina go do game on a very good day because it comes from within. The cinema pota all ebe the joy is yatago only finally the joy in the first place. Obolo network with the obolo internet. Not the Lord, the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. As we proceed to give you what you need, satisfaction guaranteed. It's time. Let's get ready to rumble. Akụkọ oti kpoju yotago nke bi na akwansa ka anyị na-agwagode maka ya n'ụtụtụ afọ. Yes, a lot of things I na-ekwu maka ya over the weekend. Ị ka na-afụ ụmụaka na-adị ebu model agagharị on a very good day. Model ụlọ yotago otu anyị bụ ndị architect si eme on a very good day fasasi plans ya before ịmali ihe na-eme na-akpọzie the model ọ dị awe na-akọọlụ gị na ebe backyard gị ga-adị na ebe ga na-apaki moto na ụmụ ife niile a n'ime model ahụ ọ bịala akwụkwọ eji wee kpụọ ya bụ ife yotago. Enwere ụmụaka na-enwere knowledge of this, architecture on a very good day, mana ị na-anya n'anya na-afọ na ha na-akpọta nwu ya bụ model kpụọ ya dịka nke onye gụrụ ya bụ akime on a very good day. Efu na passion na onye Chineke tinye n'obi ka ọ dị na ya bụ obi nwa ka ọ malụ na ife a ka ọ ga-alụ on a very good day. So ọ bụrụzie na society malụzie ife society asịzi oke na anyị ga-eme kichọ na ụmụaka niile nwere iri talent a na a ga-amụ ife mefa ka ha mụta ya bụ ife on a very good day. Ọ bụgodo na parents fa bụrụ ndị nwere ego ya zigafa yotago ka ha mụta nwee that skill amalụ ka a ga-esi wee mee mara ya eme ka ụmụaka amalụ ife a na-alụ on a very good day. A lot of things yotago. And one of the things in our portray if any now where you watch the movie and about 3 Idiots that was produced by Indians on a very good day. If we have 4K acquire befer on what I couldn't on it to Pamia and Papier Gilego Manon or the Jaupo Papier and Wapanego you a Jayaba Manon Elu Ojiwa Zuba in a class and then I go out so look at you screen from whatever and I go out to Olumba and then Zamona or Jizaka the Bezam Nisumia. He had Kiam Pablo, no get a certificate, no come with knowledge, so Kianina and got on all of a sudden, you have to go ahead on Nabolo Matao, no help us in those on our passes. Only can I will or tell you test and young there or pass ya. We all born now, all of a sudden, Papa. One car on a dead exam, on a dead test and everything. Where's you okay? Don't worry, Capozo Walko, Gobazalko, Manego Selva certificate and young one worker. No, ya come on a very good day. Now, one way, Mola Mojago Paya before he came, but will the certificate on you, mana knowledge, come with the knowledge. So, what am I saying in essence is very important that we pay attention to this knowledge. You have to go, I am Elijah when I'm behind them, you have to go call them on a very good day. From the you put also to our delegate. I am Elijah Pace. You have to go to Japan, Amazon.com. Hip hop and Igbo culture by yours faithfully, Martin. If I quick easy, you have to go on the importance of that knowledge. If I recognize it, never, whenever you have to go your way. So let's pay attention to these things. mana akụkọ nke izi anyị ji wee mabatago n'ụtụtụ a yọtago ka anyị na gị wee tizie anya wee bụrụ ihe gbasara ihe mere over the weekend wee bụrụ na